Hello everyone, welcome to another brand new video. So today I want to topic is um, how does the dropshipping business model work. So dropshipping business is an order fulfillment method that lets store owners and lets stores owners to consumers without stocking any inventory. When a customer purchases a product from a dropshipping store, a third party supplier ships it directly to them. The customer pays the retail price you set. You pay the supplier's wholesale price, and the rest is profit. So you never have to who handle products or invest in inventory. In order to sell products, you just need to register an account with a supplier. Okay, three common ways to find a supplier for your dropshipping store. Through a supplier database like Alibaba or AliExpress. So using a integrated supplier victory supplier integrated supplier victory directory in a store's back and like desserts as through a print on demand service. It's like a print flea like printify like Printify. The easiest dropshipping process for Shopify store owners is through desserts. You can source millions of products from the desserts marketplace through Alibaba, AliExpress, and import them directly to your store with the click of a button. When a customer buys something in your store, Desserts fulfills the order automatically. All you have to do is double check that the order details are correct and click the order button. The product then ships from the AliExpress dropshipping supplier to the customer, no matter where they are in the world. In the dropshipping business model, you are responsible for building your website and your own brand, as well as for choosing and marketing the products you want to sell. Your business is also responsible for shipping cost and establishing prices that result in a good profit margin. Is dropshipping really profitable? Yes, dropshipping business can be a profitable business model for merchants because you are not responsible for shipping or manufacturing. It's a low risk business model that doesn't incur huge costs like a wholesaler would normally have, and you can earn a good profit it margin with the right suppliers So how much you can make as a dropshipper? There are many dropshippers who make up to 100 lakh thousand per year with a successful dropshipping store. So if your idea of being a successful dropshipper is to make 1 lakh dollar per year, you will need to choose who's the right suppliers and build a brand. So how hard is how hard is it start a dropshipping in business? Starting a dropshipping business can be highly competitive because you can start a dropshipping business for free. You may face a lot of A lot of companies who are selling specific product at similar pieces prices. How to start a dropshipping business? It's a 9 steps to a profitable dropshipping business plan. Commit to starting to dropshipping business. Choose a dropshipping business idea. Do competitive reach. Choose a dropshipping supplier. Build your e-commerce store. Decide on business structure. Get your finance is in order. Market your dropshipping store. Analyze and improve your offering. Commit to starting a dropshipping business. As with any order, as at any other business, dropshipping takes a significant commitment and a long-term perspective. If you are hoping for a six-figure income from 6 weeks of part-time work, you are going to be sadly disappointed by approaching your business with realistic expectations. But the investment required and your potential for profit, you will be much less likely to get discouraged. And you need, when starting a dropshipping business, as a beginner, you will need to invest heavily you using one of the following two currencies: time or money. Investing time in your dropshipping in business bootstrapping and investing sweet equity to build your business is our recommend approach, especially for first time dropshipping entrepreneurship. We favor this approach. Our investing a large sum of money for numerous reasons. So you will learn how the business operates inside and out, which will be crucial for managing others as your business grows and scales. Crucial thing. You will intimately know your customers and market, allowing you to make better decisions. So you will be less likely to spend large sums on the vanity projects that aren't critical to success. You will develop several new skills that will make you a better entrepreneur. Realistically, most people aren't able to quit their job to spend 6 months ramping up their new online store. It may be a bit for more challenging.